Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and we're doing a Principles of Biology low-tech review. The capacity to do work is called this. A force applied over a distance is called this. The ultimate source of energy in our solar system is called this. And I don't like this bottom part because it really needs some explaining, and I don't like to have things that are not clear. So I'm going to try to clarify these a bit through explaining. These can use the energy of the sun directly to convert chemicals to sugars and other molecules. You and I would most likely call these plants. There are algae and cyanobacteria and the like that can also accomplish this title or do this role, but you and I would call this most likely a plant. And when we say other molecules, this is kind of a novel idea, but plants don't just make sugars. Think of an avocado. That's very fatty. It has a lot of fat in it. So plants can make fats. Plants can make proteins. Beans and rice have lots of proteins. So plants don't just produce sugars, even though that's what we see in this formula down here. By the way, this is the photosynthesis equation. I went a little bit overboard with all the sunlight. All the sunshine in this formula. This one would probably have been enough, but I got started here and I just wasn't happy with how my sun looked. Anyhow, plants use CO2 and water to make oxygen for us to breathe and glucose. And as I said before, other molecules that we can consume. The things on the left side of this chemical equation are called reactants. What do you call the things on the right side of this chemical equation?